the tail. Working to a chain, first make slip knot in this way. Put the hook into the loop, pull the yarn tail to adjust the size of the loop. In round 1, start with 3 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 2 single crochets from the second chain stitch. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Yarn tail round hook and pull the yarn tail out. Round 1 is done. In round 2, change to dark purple yarn. Wrap the dark purple yarn around your fingers like this. Use a marker to stretch this stitch. In round 2, start with 3 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 2 slip stitches from the second chain stitch. Then work 1 slip stitch in the stitch of the tail end. Then work 3 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 2 slip stitches from the second chain stitch. Then work 1 slip stitch in the stitch of the tail end. Work 3 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 2 slip stitches from the second chain stitch. Then work 1 slip stitch in the stitch of the tail end. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Yarn tail round hook, pull the yarn tail out. Thread the yarn tail through the needle. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. Cut off excess end. Do the same to the other yarn tail. Please finish the step by yourself.